if I told you that in just 8 minutes, you'll master 30 sentences that native English speakers use every single day? By the end of this video, these sentences will start rolling off your tongue naturally. I'm Alex, and today I'll share my personal daily routine using the most common English sentences. But here's the secret. You're not just listening, you're shadowing me. Welcome to Unreal English. If you've never tried shadowing before, get ready to discover the fastest way to speak English fluently. Here's how it works. Listen to me, then repeat exactly what I say. Copy my rhythm, my tone, and my speed. Don't think about grammar, just let your mouth learn the natural flow of English. Today is part 1 of my daily routine, from morning until work time. These are 30 sentences I actually use every day. And after shadowing me, they'll feel natural for you too. If you're new here and want to speak English confidently every day, hit subscribe right now. Ready to transform your English in just 8 minutes? Don't worry if you can't keep up at first. That's completely normal. Just do your best and you'll improve with every sentence. All right, let's begin. Listen first, then shadow me. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. Now repeat. The alarm clock rings loudly on my bedside table. Now repeat. I stretch my arms and yawn before getting out of bed. Now repeat. First, I drink a glass of cold water. Now repeat. I brush my teeth for exactly 2 minutes. Now repeat. I wash my face with warm water and soap. Now repeat. I look at myself in the bathroom mirror. Now repeat. I comb my hair and make it look neat. Now repeat. I put on my comfortable morning clothes. Now repeat. I make my bed before leaving the bedroom. Now repeat. Perfect! Can you feel these sentences starting to flow? Your English speaking muscles are already getting stronger. Amazing! You're halfway through part 1. If you're shadowing with me right now, drop a heart emoji in the comments so I know you're practicing. I go to the kitchen and turn on the coffee machine. Now repeat. I make scrambled eggs and toast for breakfast. Now repeat. I eat breakfast while reading the news on my phone. Now repeat. I drink orange juice and hot coffee. Now repeat. After breakfast, I wash the dishes in the sink. Now repeat. I choose my clothes for work carefully. Now repeat. I put on my favorite blue shirt and black pants. Now repeat. I check the weather forecast on my phone. Now repeat. I packed my lunch in a small container. Now repeat. I grab my keys, wallet, and phone before leaving. Now repeat. Incredible! You just shadowed 30 essential daily routine sentences, but we're only halfway through my day. Tomorrow's episode will cover my evening routine, and I'll reveal 5 secret words that make you sound 100% native. Here's your challenge. Use the sentence, I leave my house at, and comment your own time below. I'll be checking the comments to see your answers. Don't stop here. Your English journey is just beginning. Keep shadowing, keep improving, and I'll see you in part 2. If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button so more learners can discover it. subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss tomorrow's lesson. You're doing amazing!